Hi friends, I just wanted to pop in here and say, guess what? It's March 1st, it's cleaning time, and I wanted to spotlight our fantastic K8. And if it's time to clean the machine, I wanted to show you step by step how to do that. The first thing for me is literally to go ahead and click the e-cleaning instructions. You can actually have them right on the screen. The machine asks you which one of these things that you want to do. So I always say yes, just because I think that's pretty cool. The cleaning powder, citric acid cleaner, comes from the company, so it's pretty awesome. And you just I take 2 scoops and put it into our cleaning tank. 2 scoops. And then just fill that with water. It says 4 milliliters. And then we take the lid to that and put right in the cleaning tank. Okay, and for me, I just shake it up, obviously easy peasy, but I wanted you to be able to see how easy it is to clean these machines. And so that's why I just wanted to go step by step, okay? So then you do the cleaning tank piece, and you wanna make sure that you have everything that you need like right here, and that's what I do. So 2 packets, and then to hit okay, and now it says insert the cleaning tank. So right down here, you take out your enhancer liquid, and that also is just, once again, easy peasy, pull it out. And then here goes the cleaning tank right inside the slot, push, and you're done, okay? Now it says, please remove the filter. Simply slip the ring like that, lift it off. Again, easy peasy. Take the filter out. If you do have trouble taking the filter out, I always use those grips, as I've shown you before, just grips like this, and it just pulls. So again, easy peasy, but I wanted you to be able to see that. And then once you have this piece done, once again, the instructions are fantastic, and you're able to see right off the bat that take the filter out. And I just put the filter in the sink. That's kind of up to you how you want to do that. But I just literally put the filter in the sink. So in case there is any water that you would want to get gone from there, you wouldn't have a big mess on your counter. So just think about that. You can some people store it upside down. This only takes 3 hours, but it's 1,000,000% up to you how you actually want to do that. So I just leave it in the sink while the machine is cleaning. And then the next step is, it says, and I just want you to see, install the cleaning cartridge. The cleaning cartridge comes with the machine, okay? Make sure you've got your O-rings on there, and you stick it right down into where the post is. Fits snug right there, but take your ring and put that back on, and it just slips right in there literally. Push and clamp, that's it. So now you've just installed the cleaning cartridge. Then it says put the cap in the secondary hose. The cap also comes with it, this little red cap right here, okay? And the secondary hose is right here. That's where you get your 2.5 water. Just stick that right there. Bingo, okay? Once again, easy peasy. And you hit okay. And then it says press start to begin cleaning. That's it, okay? The cleaning time, it even counts down for you. It says 3 minutes. You've done everything correctly. You started out with your enhancer liquid, with your citric acid cleaner. That's awesome. You take out your enhancer tank, just like it said, take out the enhancer tank, put in the cleaning cartridge, okay? And then take out the filter, which we did, and I put mine in the sink, put in the cleaning cartridge, clamp that back on, and put the red stopper in the discharge hose. That's it. And now all we do is have to wait. In 3 hours, as a matter of fact, 3 hours it comes up, it'll stop on its own, and the next video, part 2, tells you exactly what to do next. Pretty awesome, pretty easy. It's the 1st of the month, and for me, that means clean your K8. Thanks for watching.